This video is going to focus our attention on the new use of the premium data that we've incorporated into the strategy, and we're going to show you how to set it up and why it's useful. Let's talk about, first of all, why using the premium is useful in your intraday trading. Now, we're not going to talk about predicting the highs and the lows. We're talking about just the use of the premium by itself. So let's look at this little period in here late in the day, and let's just focus our attention on this drop. All right. Now you've noticed that there's a few reversals in here. All right, there's a few reversals. You've had a nice drop into this point. There's a reversal. Here's another reversal. And then finally a reversal there at the bottom. Which one was right? Okay, which one was right? Let's take a look at how the premium can be useful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up both a premium feed as well as this chart. Alright, so here's the period in question. From here down to here, we had some reversals at these lows. Which one was right? This is why the use of the premium can be so helpful. This screen is a 100 tick bar ES premium chart. We only use the ES premium because it's the most accurate. Our horizontal line is fair value. We'll talk about where we get that in just a minute. We have a specialized indicator here, and this is our trigger. This line is not a moving average. It's a specialized indicator, but it is not a moving average. Now here's the idea. When you're dropping below fair value, right, where the indicator is dropping below the fair value line, you do not want to be long. You can be short, but not long. Above the fair value line, you can be long, but not short. So let's just take these three dips. Okay? Now watch this. Watch where my horizontal line is. Or pardon me, my vertical line. All right? Right in here. That group reversal is below fair value. Let's move it over here. This group reversal corresponds with below fair value. This group reversal, all of this in here, below fair value. You don't get above fair value until right there. And you've got a nice reversal right there, right when you go above fair value. Pretty nice, isn't it? Oh yeah, I love it. All right, how do you set this up so that the strategy knows this? Okay. Number one, you have to know what fair value is, and you're going to get it off of the net. Go to our website. On any page, you'll come down to program trading. When you come to program trading, okay, go to the trading execution levels, fair value, negative 3.60. That's where you can get it from. Now, it is available in other sites as well, but we like programtrading.com. It's right there. Now, what do you do with it? Open up the strategy. Use fair value. Then put in the fair value number, negative 3.6. All right? This is a default premium string where we're going to be reading the indicator in relationship to fair value, and that's all you need to do. Each day you're going to need to change the fair value number. So each day you go to the website and you pick it off and you enter it here. Now if you choose not to use fair value, that's fine, turn it off, but why would you? Why would you not want to use the premium in your trading? You'd have to be crazy. All right, so here's what you do. Here's how you do it, and you're done. It's that simple. Now let's just take this a step further. From this nice little low here, we don't really get a group reversal until up here and then up in here again. Watch this. Here's our long trade. Okay, we're just going above fair value. Market rallies up. We don't see any reversals. No reversals. No reversals. No reversals. No reversals. And then we finally get a reversal way up here. What's happening to the indicator in relationship to fair value? Boom. It's dropping. Okay. There's an exit. Here's an entry. Here's an exit. What'd you make on that? Ooh, I don't know. 1068 up to 1072. Was that 4 points? I think I could live with that. Can you? I believe so. Now, you've got a little bit of noise in here. All right? You don't get a reversal until up here. That's true. Pardon me. Let me step back here. You exited the trade here. All right? There was a reversal here. A possible reversal, but within a couple of ticks later, we drop below fair value. The next time we start to go up is right here. Look at the fair value line. Now, we don't have a group reversal here. We could probably get one on another chart. But just to illustrate, here you're in as it's going above fair value at 71.50, and you stay in all the way up to 73.50. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay? I think you get the point. There's a lot of money to be made by simply turning the fair value indicator on in relation to your group reversals. So, by all means, you want to use the premium. That's a new feature of our strategy that we finally got it coded in, and it's working fine. So look for the use of that. Trading with the premium in conjunction with your group reversals, and by knowing where the fair value line is, along with our specialized indicator, you're going to do a cleanup act on the Spoos. So that, let's see, is there anything else we wanted to say about this? Oh yes, there is a couple of other things that we wanted to mention. Now watch this carefully. All right, let's supposing we're looking to go long in here. All right. Now, notice the fair value line. We're above fair value, but watch the slope. Right? We get the group reversal right in here. Right? Now I can't tell just from this, but here from the chart itself whether we would have gotten a trade here or not. But we have taken into consideration the slope of the indicator. So if we are above fair value for a long trade, but the slope is down, okay? The slope is down, you will not get a trade. So if potentially that reversal did not occur until after the indicator was sloped down, there would have been no long trade there. The next opportunity for a trade would have been right in here, when the slope again was up above fair value. Same thing here, okay? There's a nice little reversal right there. Now, depending upon where the close of the bar occurs, for the reversal to take place, if the slope is down, it's a no-go. Next opportunity is right in here, okay? Right in there, as you're turning above fair value with a positive slope, right in there, okay? So we've taken that into consideration as well. So keep all of this in mind. Use the premium. You'll be a better trader for it. Let's go on now to talking about pattern.